Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have the smallest Amazon haul for you guys. You guys know whenever my husband places a little order, I try to sneak some stuff in. So I grabbed this box of bow keychains, and I think I thought there was 10 in here, but I think it's 20. Yeah, 20. It comes in this cute little box. And they're just a bunch of gold bow keychains. If I can get it open and show you guys. So cute. I have a lot of colors of these, but I really didn't have any gold ones, surprisingly. So I grabbed those, and it was a decent price. You know, I'm really missing Temu and all this stuff, but when I see something on Amazon that's a good deal, like this is 20 of them, so I thought it was a good deal to snatch it. And then I grabbed a bunch of bows because I have like all these ideas for back to school stuff for Ava. Like I wanted to, you guys will see. I don't want to spill the beans. But first I grabbed a bag of these bows, and they're all different sizes and they're different. This one is, it does not say, but it looks like it is 2 inches, 2.5 inches. So these are the 2.5 inch ones, and they come with, I think, 100 of them. So I have some ideas for these. These bows are cute for projects, but I really don't like the centers. I don't know. I'm really picky about my bows, you guys. Like, I know that sounds probably dumb, but I'm really picky about my bows and what they look like. So there's the pack of those. I'm going to be doing some DIYs with that. And I have more than enough. And then I grabbed these, again, for some more DIYs. And this is the 50-piece bag. See, and these bows are cute, but I don't like the centers. Like, I don't like the centers of any of these bows. So I don't think I'm gonna be using these on my craft projects, but I'm definitely gonna be using them for other DIYs. Cute bow, but I don't like the center. And even if I were to put like a little gem on it, I still think it wouldn't go well with this. I don't know. So there's that. I do have ideas for these. And then I grabbed this. Now this is for Ava's hair. So there's a style that I want to do for her. And these are gonna go in her hair. So I want to share these with you all because you definitely can use these within your crafting. I should have had all this open for you guys. I'm sorry. Let me pause. Okay. So it comes in this cute box. I love it when stuff comes in boxes. Let me know if you're the same way. And these are a bunch. Really, there's more tape. Hold on. Finally. Okay, so it comes in this cute box. And then it has a bunch in here. I don't know if it's 100. It doesn't say. I'll have everything linked down below in case you're interested. Now, this is a cute bow. I will probably use some of these on my projects. But they do have the clips. You can easily take these off. I think if you, like, heat it, then you can pull it off easily. But I got these solely for Ava's hair. And they come in this light pink and then this darker pink. So pretty. My baby loves pink, and so I just cannot wait. She's starting school and she's just gonna be the cutest. I gotta make sure that she is the cutest. So these are inspired by Ava, all these purchases. And then I picked this up right here. Now this I've been searching for on Temu when I was shopping on Temu, and it was always not exactly what I wanted. It was either not the right color or too big or whatever the case. Not enough quantity of them. And so I was so happy to find this on Amazon, you guys. I've been wanting to make some projects with this. It comes in this cute case. You know, we love a good case over here. And look at all the colors. I love that they're individually wrapped. Baby, Amazon's securing the bags, okay, with this tape. Okay. So look at all these colors. They're beautiful. We have peach. And let's see how big these rings are. I think the ones that I got off Temu, they were bigger, way bigger. They're 1/2 inch, which is a perfect size. So we got peach, darker pink, a lighter pink. We have the baby blue. We have mint. We have like a teal, turquoise. This purple and a yellow. And the yellow is like a neon yellow. So basically, guys, these are little links that you can put together and create like chains. And so I've been wanting this in my stash for a while. And I found it on Amazon and I had to get it. And I love the way that it came in because it looks different online, I believe. So I love that it came packaged individually and in this case. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I'm going to have the links listed down below so you guys can snatch any of these things if you're interested. And I'll be back with projects using this stuff. Okay? Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.